So last but not the least of this class is the risk assessment of food and additives. Risk assessment of food and additives. Additives from GMO, right? So first is we need to understand the food crop, the character of food crop, that is very important, right? Food crop which has been modified. Then potential of any introduced DNA. So you have introduced a DNA and that particular DNA is allergic. So you have to determine the allergenicity. Next is the safety of the protein expressed. Safety of protein expressed. Safety of protein expressed. Then conformance of any known plant toxicant. So if there is any plant toxicant which is being expressed, so that need to understand. That means you have to determine the allergenicity and the toxicity. And mandatory labeling of GMO. This is very important because we have to give the freedom to the consumer that whether they will select from the wild type variety or from the mutated variety. So labeling, mandatory labeling of GMO is necessary. So we conclude this class with the following points that we have discussed, that is the process of risk assessment and the various roadmap of your risk assessment. Then risk assessment for plant introduction of GMO, what we have to keep in mind while we do it. Risk assessment for the release of transgenic crop and transgenic genetically modified food. So thank you once again. If you have any queries, any question, please put it into the discussion forum of your Google Classroom.